Good evening, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. This is Dr. Niranjan Babu, Assistant Professor, Maharani's Commerce and Management College, Mysore. Today, as per the directions by our DCE, we are conducting online class for the subject Cost Accounting. This subject is prescribed for first year BCom second semester. Today, I am going to discuss a topic called as machine hour rate calculation, which is a very important aspect in the cost accounting. That we shall try to see today how machine hour rate can be calculated. Now, I would like to welcome you all once again. Now we shall go to the presentation. What are the contents of this presentation? Because once the presentation is over, you will be in a position to answer or you will be in a position to understand what do you mean by the term machine hour rate is, what is machine hour rate, and how to calculate the machine hour rate, what are the advantages and disadvantages of machine hour rate, how to calculate the machine hour rate, what is the format being prescribed, what are the steps to be followed, or what are the steps required to be taken up for the calculation of the machine rate, and what are the different bases which may be adopted for the apportionment of the different expenses for the purpose of calculation of machine hour rate. That will be discussed, and the advantages and the disadvantage. Now we shall try to see, we shall start with what do you mean by this machine hour rate is. When we say machine hour rate, it is the cost of running a machine per hour. It is one of the methods of absorbing the factory expenses to production. It is used in those industries or the departments where machinery is predominant and there is a little or practically there is no manual labor. In such industries or departments, overhead consisting of the indirect expenses in running and operating the machines. Therefore, it is desirable to allocate overhead to the production on the basis of the working hours of the machine. It is not desirable to calculate the machine hour rate for the entire factory, but different rates may be calculated according to their make, type, size, capacity, wattage, horsepower, and other factors relating to each machine or group of machines as a cost center. Machine hour rate is obtained by dividing the total running expenses of a machine during a particular period by the number of hours the machine is estimated to work during that period. Now, we shall try to see how this machine hour rate will be calculated. The information required for calculating machine hour rate is the cost of machine, the cost of installation of the machine, the scrap value, if any, given in the problem, the life of the machine in hours, which will be usually given in the problem, the standing charges like rent and other related rent, heating, supervision, other related expenses, then allocated to the machine, then repairs and maintenance of the machine, the power consumption, the setup time, the cost of lubricants applied on the machine, and the insurance premium of the machine, if any. This is how the machine hour rate will be calculated. However, we need to follow certain steps. Certain steps need to be calculated or to be followed in order to calculate how the machine hour rate can be arrived. What are the different steps that are supposed to be followed, that we shall try to see. The first one is here, when we look at the format which has been displaying on the video, the format consisting of the three important columns. The first column is for the details, that is to calculate the standing charges and the machine expenses to record. The second one is what is the per annum expenses, what is the per annum expenses of a machine, of a machine for the total working hours, that is to be recorded in the second column. And in the third column, what is the per hour expenses. When we calculate all these expenses per hour and when we make a total of the last column, we will arrive at the machine hour rate. However, we are expected to make a discussion over what is the basis of apportionment of the machine hour rate, how the expenses will be apportioned. The machine hour rate will be apportioned on the basis of For example, the rent and the rates. The rent and rates, usually these expenses will be recorded or this will be apportioned on the basis of the floor area occupied by each machine, including the surrounding space. The heating and lighting expenses, that will be apportioned on the basis of the number of points used plus the cost of special lighting or the heating for any individual machine, alternatively according to the floor area occupied by each machine. When it is a supervision expenses, it will be estimated or it will be apportioned on the basis of estimated time divided by the supervisory staff to the each machine. The fourth one, that is the lubricant, oil and the consumable store, which is a important standing charger, that will be apportioned on the basis of the past experience, on the basis of the past experience. Then the the insurance expenses, that will be apportioned on the basis of the insurable value of each machine. Then all other except these all other miscellaneous expenses, they'll be recorded or they'll be apportioned on the basis of equitable depending upon the facts given in the problem. Now we shall see how the machine expenses or the variable expenses will be apportioned. The variable expenses, they consisting of the three: depreciation, power and the repairs. The depreciation is calculated on the basis of the cost of the machine less the residual value over its working life or the life which will be given in the problem, life of the asset. The power charges, the actual consumption as shown by the meter readings or estimated consumption ascertained from the past experience. When it's a question of the repairs, the cost of repairs spread over its working life. This is how you are expected to make an apportionment of the different expenses, various expenses, while calculating the machine hour rate. Now we shall try to see what are the different advantages of this calculation of the machine hour rate. It helps to compare the relative efficiencies and the cost of operating the different machines. A factory may be having so many machines upon which the management is interested to know which machine is operating efficiently. So for which the calculation of machine hour rate, that really helps to comparison. It brings to light the existence and the extent of the idle time of the machine. It enables the management to decide how far the use of the machine work is preferable to the manual work. It is most scientific, practical and accurate method of calculating the manufacturing overhead. The cost reports prepared with the help of such rates are dependable and can help the management in taking the quality decisions. It also provides the useful data for estimating the cost of production and setting up of the standards and for fixing the selling prices for quotations. Now we shall see the disadvantages. When it's question of disadvantages, rather to say it can also be, we can able to say the limitations of calculation of the machine hour rate. The first thing is it involves additional work in assembling the working hours of machines, and thus it's a very costly method which cannot be adopted by the small scale industries. It gives the inaccurate results if manual labor is equally important. It is difficult to estimate the machine hours, especially when the production program is not available in advance. The blanket rate cannot be used and it makes the method more costly. So thereby these are some of the limitations of machine hour rate. Anyhow, machine hour rate is a very important aspect in the cost accounting subject, and in this video I have made a little attempt in order to cover what do you mean by the machine hour rate, how it can be calculated, what are the different bases to be followed for apportionment of the related expenses, and what is the format of solving the problem, and what are the advantages and what are the limitations of machine hour rate calculation. Thank you. This is Dr. Niranjan Babu, Assistant Professor, Maharani's Commerce and Management College, Mysore. Thank you very much. In the next video, we shall try to calculate or we shall try to solve some of the problems in the machine hour rate. Thank you one and all.